If you are not receiving the WhatsApp verification code on your iPhone, then follow this step-by-step guide to fix it. First of all you have to do is check your phone number, double check the number and country code, for example, the +1 for USA, +91 for India. Then check network and SIM. Make sure you have strong mobile signal, SIM is inserted correctly, can receive SMS or calls from other numbers. And once all of these are done, simply drag down the control center from the top right corner of your screen. Then simply long press on the focus button available here, and you can see do not disturb. If it is toggled on, then simply toggle it off. DND can block verification SMS or calls from showing up. Then restart your iPhone. Long press on the volume down plus power button until the slide to power off appears. Then all you have to do is slide to power off, wait for 10 seconds, then turn it back on and retry the WhatsApp verification. Once done, so all you have to do is go back to the App Store from the iPhone's home screen. And inside App Store in the search address bar, all you have to do is type down the WhatsApp and search for it. Then from the list of the WhatsApp app, tap on the legitimate one. And if you see the update option available right next to it, update it to the latest version. Or you can also delete WhatsApp and reinstall from App Store and retry the verification. Just make sure you have backup if you want to restore chats. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.